Good morning, everybody. How are you? I am fine. Today I will take higher mathematics first paper, chapter 3, lesson G. I have given first lecture about on this lesson. Today I will find the equations of bisectors between the angles of two straight lines. Follow the board, everyone. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 be a straight line. We have to find the equations of bisectors between these two straight lines. Figure this is equation number 1. Let this is equation number 1 and another equation. This is equation number 2. Here we have got two angles. One is acute angle, that is acute angle, and another one is obtuse angle. We have to find the bisector. That's mean this equation or this equation. So take any point on this line, take any point on this line x, y. Okay, since the point lie on bisector, so the distance from this point to the line this and to the line this, that's mean perpendicular distance are equal. We have already discussed distance between a straight line and a point is a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by square root over a1 square plus b1 square. Again, the distance from this point to this straight line, that is second straight line, a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by square root over a2 square plus b2 square. Since this and this are equal, because this is the bisector of the angles between this line and this line. So according to question, this and this are equal. So this equal, we can write this. And by calculating, we will get a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a square root over a1 whole square plus b1 whole square. This equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by square root over a2 square plus b2 square. Now, which one will be the equation of bisector of acute angle, and which one will be the equation of bisector of obtuse angle? How to determine? So the given equation, follow this again. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. At first, you have to convert the coefficient of x and coefficient of x of first and second equation respectively will be the same sign. That's mean here is plus, here also plus. Okay, that's mean you have to convert same sign, and coefficient of x of first equation into coefficient of x of second equation plus coefficient of y of first equation, that is b1, and coefficient of y of second equation, that is b2. So greater than 0, then the bisector taking plus sign will be the bisector of obtuse angle. Remember this always. If it's positive greater than 0, that's mean taking plus sign will get the bisector of obtuse angle, and taking minus sign will get the bisector of acute angle. That's mean obtuse mean will get this bisector, acute mean will get this bisector. But if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 less than 0, then taking minus sign will get the bisector of obtuse angle, and taking plus sign will get the bisector of acute angle. Clear everyone? Okay. Note that the given equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are the image with respect to the bisectors. That's mean the line are equidistant from the bisector. So these and these are image to each other with respect to the bisectors. Also, this is one number. The equation of bisectors are perpendicular to each other. That's mean slope of the bisector this and slope of the bisector this, their product is equal to minus 1. Clear everyone? Okay. Next formula. After intersecting two straight lines, we get 4 regions. This region, this region, this region, and this region. Okay. First region or area, second region or area, third region or area, fourth region or area. Here is used number of point, here is also used number of point, here is also used number of point. But in this region, there is contained this point mean origin. Origin mean 0, 0. Then now question, the bisector contains origin. And which bisector contains origin? Again, this is equation number a1 x plus b1 y c1 equal to 0, 1. That is equation number a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 this is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And so after putting origin means 0, 0, we'll get a1 0 plus b1 0 plus c1 this equal to 0. This equal to will get c1, and after putting here 0, 0, a2 into 0 plus b2 into 0 plus c2 this equal to c2. So we take c1 and c2 because other part here 0. If, now question, if c1 into c2 greater than 0, we'll get bisector contain origin same bisector does not origin. When bisector contain origin, taking plus sign the bisector, and taking plus sign the bisector containing the origin, and taking minus sign the bisector containing the does not containing the origin. The second condition is if c1 into c2 less than 0, and taking minus sign containing the origin, taking plus sign the bisector does not containing the origin. Most important formula. Similarly, other than origin, we can take another point, as for example x1 y1. So the bisector containing the point x1 y1. So you have to find the value of putting the point a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 and a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2. Let this equal to p and then this let this equal to q. That's mean if P into Q greater than 0, containing here will be x1 y1, containing here will be does not containing x1 y1. If P1 into P2 greater than 0, so bisector containing the point x1 y1 taking plus sign does not containing the point x1 y1, that's mean you have to take minus sign. And if P into Q less than 0, so the bisector containing the point therefore taking minus sign, and the bisector does not containing the point x1 y1 taking plus sign. Clear? Again, a point x1 y1 lie on which angle? Acute or obtuse angle. That's mean this point lie on acute or obtuse angle. Similarly, you have to find the value of this equal to P. Also, you have to find the value of this equal to Q, and also you have to find A1, A2 plus B1, B2. This equal to R. And if P into Q into R greater than 0, taking plus sign x1 y1 lie on obtuse angle, and taking minus sign lie on acute angle. Similarly, P into Q into R less than 0, taking minus sign, the point lie on obtuse angle, and taking plus sign, the point lie on acute angle. I hope that everybody will clear this formula. Okay. Now we'll solve related this formula. As a question number 6C. Book kitab Udbin. 6C number question. Find the equation of the bisector of the obtuse angle between the straight lines 4x minus 3y this equal to minus 5 and 3x minus 4y this equal to minus 3. We have to find the bisector of obtuse angle. Solution. The given lines 4x minus 3y plus 5 this equal to 0, this is equation number 1, and 3x minus 4y plus 3 this equal to equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 this equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 this equal to 0, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 this equal to a1 mean 4 into 3 plus minus 3 into minus 4 this equal to 12 plus 12 this equal to 24 which is greater than 0. So taking plus sign will get the bisector of obtuse angle because this is greater than 0. Therefore, the required bisector is 4x minus 3y plus 5 divided by square root over 4 square plus minus 3 square. This equal to 3x minus 4y plus 3 divided by square root over 3 square plus minus 4 square. Now calculate, we get the result. This and this same. So 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 3. Now calculate this minus this, we get this plus y plus 2, this is equal to 0. This is the answer. But if we have to find the bisector of acute angle, we have to take here minus sign because a1 a2 plus b1 b2 greater than 0. And similar map, that's mean 6 D number, but you have to find the bisector of acute angle. And the bisector of acute angle process same. At first you have to compare this with the equation a1x plus b1 y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2. This equal to 0. Will get a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This equal to 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. This equal to 24, which is greater than 0. So taking minus sign will get the required bisector of acute angle, and therefore the required bisector is here will be minus because a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 greater than 0. So we have to take here minus sign. This and this we can omit. So 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to minus 3x plus 4y minus 3. Now calculate, we will get 7x minus 7y plus 8. This equal to required answer. This is a bisector of equation of acute angle. Okay, and we have discussed another formula, the bisector containing the origin. Solution, same method. Here 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and here C1 is equal to 5 and C2 is equal to 3, and therefore C1 into C2 equal to 5 into 3, which is greater than 0, and therefore taking plus sign, the bisector containing the origin. Therefore the required bisector containing the origin is 4x minus 3y plus 5 by absolute value of 4 square plus minus 3 square. This equal to 4x minus 3y. Sorry, 3x minus 4y plus 3y. 3 square plus minus 4 square, this and this same. So we'll get 4x minus 3y plus 5. This equal to 3x minus 4y plus 3. This equal to, we can write x plus y plus 2. This is the required equation of the bisector containing the origin. I think that everybody have clear my lecture, and I hope if you clear this lecture you can easily solve the problems related on exercise 3G. That's mean homework this lesson. If you will face any problem, you can contact my messenger or you can contact my mobile number. No problem. Goodbye. Thank you very much.